This video teaches you how to create a custom PowerPoint template in Microsoft PowerPoint. Open PowerPoint. Click the Design tab. Click Slide Size, Custom Slide Size, and then choose the page orientation and dimensions. This will set the overall look of the PowerPoint. Click the View tab. Click Slide Master. Select a slide format to edit. You can pick a theme from the Themes drop-down that's located above the Slide Master panel. You can also apply backgrounds by clicking Background Styles. You can also click Format Background in the drop-down menu to customize color options like base color, gradient, and brightness. Click Insert Placeholder. A drop-down menu will appear with the following options: Content, Text, Picture, Chart, Table, Smart Art, Media, and Online Image. Drag and drop a placeholder to a slide. Select a template font. Save your template. Click File, Save As, select a location, and enter a name for your template. Click the Save as Type drop-down box, click PowerPoint Template, and then click Save. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.